Hello guys, how are you? Hope you are all good. Guys, welcome to WA Reviews YouTube channels. Guys, today we will unbox Lenovo Thinkplus Livepods XE05 Bluetooth. It's a Lenovo brand, as you can see here mentioned. I ordered this one from AliExpress. Let's unbox and check what inside we found. So I will unbox this one. So as you can see, inside we found one manual, instruction manual for Thinkplus Livepods XE05, one charging data cable which is micro. It's a micro USB charging cable, and two pairs of rubber, smaller and bigger. Which one you like, you can use that one. And this is the Lenovo XE05 Neckband Sports Bluetooth. So here this Bluetooth, as you can see, on the left side of this sports neckband there is logo Thinkplus, and back side is Lenovo. And here also one the specification sticker on the Bluetooth. Here the cap of this charging. When you want to charge, you can remove this cap and put your micro charger here. I will show you. This is the micro cable I put here, micro charger. When I connect my charger with this Bluetooth, here is red indication showing me for it's in charging, and when it will become a full, it will change color or disappear this indication. So like this way you can charge your Sports XE05 Sports Bluetooth. Here is the magnetic back end of this earbuds. So when you are wearing, you can easily keep secure with this magnet. Its cable length is also good, not very bad. So it's a flexible Bluetooth, as you can see. You can round and you can put in your pocket as well, so very flexible. This is the plus button. It's for increase the volume and receive the call. And here you can see, here is mic hole here, and this is the on off button, and this is the negative button which is for volume decrease and reject the call. So this is the menu of right side menu of this Bluetooth sports neckband. It's a very lightweight. If you wear this device, you didn't feel anything you are wearing it. Let's talk about its specification. You can see here is Lenovo Thinkplus Livepods XE05. Transmission distance 10 meter. It's mean from this Bluetooth device, from this Bluetooth to your device, in between 10-meter range for connectivity of this Bluetooth. Its battery capacity is 105 mAh, which is quite good. It's mean you can use up to 8 or 10 hours. Its usage time about 8 hours, so 8 to 10 hours you can use this Bluetooth. I already personally use, and this is the true 8 to 10 hour it will giving backup. Its charging time is about 2 hours, but it will charge before 2 hours, so I mostly charge in 1 hour or little more than 1 hour. Its input specification 5 volt up and 105 milliampere. So any chargers you can use to charge this Bluetooth neckband. So this is the all about this specification. It's a Lenovo Thinkplus Bluetooth Earphone XE05 black. It's also coming in white as well. I order black one. If you like white, you can also order white. So this is the all about this Bluetooth neckband. Let's on this device and connect with my smartphone. When I press and hold this on button, like this, it's on, and this blue and red indication showing me the it's ready for pair. So I search this Bluetooth on my mobile device. As you can see, here is coming Lenovo Thinkplus XE05. When I press this one, it will ask me pairing permission. I will accept this one, and as you can see, now connected for call and audio, 90% battery remaining. So like this way you can connect this Bluetooth from your mobile device. So guys, this is the all about Lenovo Thinkplus Livepod XE05. What you think about this Livepods? Tell me in comments. If you like the video, kindly subscribe my YouTube channel, like the video, share with your friends, and keep supporting guys. Thanks for watching. See you in next video. Take care. Bye.